here, and that means sweet treats. Bring on all the sugars. Well, I mean, just because we're ketoians does not mean that the sugar eaters are gonna leave us behind. They're not gonna have all the fun. No, 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 no. We're implementing Christmas motto 2020. No sweet tooth left behind. So, an excellent start is my recipes for chocolate and peanut butter pudding. Absolutely easy, super delicious. They got your sweet tooth covered like a dream, just in time for the holidays. So, welcome to my kitchen. So, now this is two recipes that are made individually, and then we are gonna put them together like a peanut butter cup, because we all know that chocolate, peanut butter, match made in heaven. Thank you. Now, the process is the same for all of them. We're just changing the main ingredient, the chocolate and the peanut butter. That's pretty much it. So, that being said, let's get sweet. All right, so in a microwave-safe bowl, we're going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream, along with a 1/2 cup of keto-friendly chocolate chips. And of course, you know I'm using Lily's milk chocolate style chips because Lily's is the best tasting around. So we're gonna add that in, a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of sweetener, and of course I'm using stevia, but you could also use monk fruit or any other sweetener you like, really. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Perfect. And we're just gonna give this a little mix. And then we're gonna microwave this on high for about a minute, and then we're gonna give this another really good mix, and then we're gonna set that aside. Now in another bowl, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 1 egg. And just beat that together really well. And we're gonna set that aside. Perfect. Now, in a saucepan, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 4 ounces of cream cheese. And I just chop these into little cubes just to make it easier on the melting process. And we're gonna cook and stir this on medium heat until the cream cheese is melted and incorporated. Beautiful. Once the cream cheese is nice and incorporated, then to this we're gonna add our chocolate mixture. We're gonna continue to cook this until the mixture is really heated through. Once everything is heated through, then we're gonna add our beaten egg mixture. Just a little bit of time, we're gonna stream it in slow and steady. And we're stirring constantly as we're doing this. And then once it's all in, we're just gonna continue to stir this until the pudding thickens. And once it thickens up like this, then it's ready to go into our cups. So I'm gonna pour some out into a bowl. And then I'll portion some into our cups. And this is gonna be our bottom layer. Beautiful. Now these are gonna go ahead and chill in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to set up just a little bit. So that way, once we add the peanut butter layer, it's not gonna mix together. And for the remaining pudding, we're gonna top this with a plastic wrap. And we want to put the plastic wrap directly onto the top of it so it doesn't form a skin. And we're just gonna set that aside at room temperature until we're ready to put it on the top of the peanut butter layer. All right, and so now it's time to make the peanut butter layer, which is really easy. Everything's pretty much the same, except we're switching the peanut butter and the chocolate. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that real quick. Perfect. And now that our peanut butter pudding is done, now we're just going to add this on top of the chocolate layer. And this is going to go back in the refrigerator for another 15-20 minutes. And once that time is up, then we're going to top this with another chocolate layer. And then you can just top this however you like. If you want to add some more chocolate chips, If you want to add some whipped cream, maybe a sugar-free peanut butter cup, however you like. And then these are just gonna go back into the refrigerator to chill until they are completely set. And boom, there you go. You have keto pudding deliciousness in a cup. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below what you think of the motto, no sweet tooth left behind, because not this year. It's been a crazy year and we don't want to be left behind. No. And also, what do you think of this chocolate and peanut butter pudding recipes? And if you'll definitely give it a try. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you much for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.